Are you tired? Truly, bone-deep tired of the endless grind? The never-ending cycle of working hard just to stay afloat? The feeling that no matter how much you hustle, you're still stuck in the same place? You're not alone. Millions feel this suffocating pressure. They chase fleeting side hustles, pouring their hearts and souls into affiliate marketing or MLM schemes, only to find themselves trading time for pennies. Is this your reality? But what if there was a different path? What if you could build a system that generated wealth even while you slept? A system that gave you the freedom to design your life, not the other way around. This is the power of passive income. Imagine waking up to the sound of the ocean, knowing your finances are secure, spending quality time with loved ones without the constant worry of bills, traveling the world, exploring new cultures, all while your wealth grows on autopilot. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building a sustainable, scalable business that works for you, not the other way around. It's about creating a legacy, not just a paycheck. Let's hear from individuals who have shattered the chains of traditional employment and built thriving digital empires.
Hey guys, my name is Michelle O'Neill, and back in September of 2022 is when I discovered this process. And prior to discovering it, I was stressed. I was overwhelmed. I'm a mom of 6 kids. I only have 2 left at home, and time was slipping away. And I have 5 grandchildren, and you guys, time is the most important thing to me. And when I discovered this process, I was like, oh my God, if I can just learn how to make $54,000 a year working 2 hours a day, that would change my life. Because inside of the process, you guys, it shows you how to follow a 2-hour workday.
My name is Latoya Baptiste. I am from Lafayette, Louisiana, and I am just so thankful and grateful to have access to this amazing blueprint, such an amazing opportunity. You know, you're looking at someone who's very familiar with business. I've been in business for over 12 years. I'm very familiar with passive income. I too have earned passive income. I made 6 figures. You know, I'm basically just recently recovering from a debilitating condition that had me down for the past 2 years. And guess what, y'all? My income dropped 350%. I wish I would have access to the blueprint sooner, but nonetheless, I'm happy I have access to it now. But what is so exciting about this blueprint, guys, is just the details within it. You know, I have spent countless of dollars on products and programs and to assist me with digital marketing, but it was always missing something. You had to pay monthly, you had to pay more, and it never gave you everything. I was able to see the passive income here, and what it does is basically it's automated. So it allows you to truly experience passive income on another level.
So proud to be a part of this community, to be sharing this new product line with the world. And that is because I know who's behind it. I know. And and Michelle is behind it. And there's the community that's behind it. These are people who care about you, about your success, and at the same time hold your feet to the fire to be the CEO of your life, because ultimately this is your business. Whether you have tons of experience or very little experience, if you want to be successful in the online space and learn how to make daily pay, you can do it. You can do it.
Now here's the great part. Because not only are we going to show you how to create recurring income stream, we can even show you how to create your own product if you want. But in the meantime, where you are learning and earning, when you launch with your Legacy Builder program, you're going to get 4 income streams: 100, 300, 600, and 900. You have the ability to immediately make 100% profit off of 4 different products that you didn't even create.
With a wife, 4 kids, 12 grandchildren, and 10 great-grandchildren. Daily pay has been, and the digital growth community has been the best thing since marrying my wife that I've done. It has provided income. It's provided the ability for us to do things that we want to do that we didn't have the time to do before. It has provided us the ability to pay bills off, put money back in savings. What I'm telling you is, if you're sitting on the fence, get off the fence. Go get into this community. and make yourself a legacy and your family a legacy.
You deserve this. You deserve the freedom to choose how you spend your time, to pursue your passions, and to build a life filled with joy and security. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? If you want to learn more about how you can build wealth on autopilot and start living the life you've always dreamed of, just put "ready" in the comments. I would absolutely love to share it with you. Don't let another day go by feeling trapped. Your future is waiting.